So, chapter 1 homeostasis, and last lecture of homeostasis chapter, which is lecture number 10, which is thermoregulation. So, key points of thermoregulation are there. Starts thermoregulation is a homeostatic mechanism that keeps body temperature of an organism up to suitable limits independent on external temperature. And temperature, which is a limiting factor for activities of enzymes at low external temperature, which means hypothermia condition, leads to low metabolic activities and cardiac arrest, brain damage, or even death. And animals who drives temperature to warm their bodies from external source are called as ectotherms or poikilotherms. Animals who drives temperature to warm their bodies from external source are called ectotherms or poikilotherms. And ectotherms or poikilotherms rely on environmental heat sources and lives in regions whose environments are constant, such as tropic areas or ocean. Therefore, they prefer to get heat by behavior means. And ectotherms or poikilotherms include invertebrates, fishes, amphibians, and reptiles. And animals who maintain constant internal body temperature, usually within a narrow range of temperature, called as endotherms or homeotherms. Animals who maintain constant internal body temperature, usually within a narrow range of temperature, called endotherms or homeotherms. And homeotherm animals regulate their own body temperature through internal metabolic process. These animals maintain internal environment by physiological and behavioral strategies. And homeotherms include mammals and birds. Some animals which lies between ectotherms and homeotherms are called as heterotherms. And birds and hummingbirds are the most important example of heterotherms. And human maintains their body temperature at suitable limit, which is 37 centigrade. Human maintains their body temperature at suitable limits, that is 37 centigrade. And thermoregulation in human is controlled by hypothalamus. Dilation of blood vessels is called as vasodilation. And conduction, which is a process, means heat transfer through some physical interactions. And other process, convection, which means transfer of heat of body by movement of air or water molecules across skins. The vasoconstriction caused by hypothermia means low level of heat. The decreased level of ADH, antidiuretic hormone, results in dilute urine. So thank you.